high quality content. Now, this is kind of run on of what we said before about blogs in terms of, think about your content, the length of it, think about the quality. If you keep putting out posts that are just written by AI, and there's nothing wrong with that as long as you humanize and double check and fact check the content, but you're just putting out loads of blog posts, people find you and the bounce rate is high. They get to your page and they go, nah, because you've put adverts everywhere. Or you said you've made the claim somewhere that you're going to answer a question, and very quickly they can see through the cracks. They can see that, right, I can tell that this has not been written by a human, or I can tell that you are not going to answer the question, or that you're actually just trying to deviate and lead me into buying something rather than solving the problem I got. Your bounce rate is going to be high. And if Google can see, or any other search engine, that your bounce rates are high, number one, you could end up joining an NBA basketball team, or you're just going to start to lose visitors on your website because you're going to get pushed down the search rankings. If you get around that and you produce high quality content and you stay high, whenever there's other websites out there, they keep seeing that, hey, this person's always up there for SEO or web design or photography, I want them to do a guest post on my website. I want them to be part of an online webinar. I want to interview them on YouTube. That attracts attention. Start pushing out and push out good stuff for your SEO.